quiz. The last topic we haven't covered yet is conversions of currency. And so one way to think about this is you're just looking at this as like a proportion, and keep the units in the problems. It's a good way to keep things lined up. The other thing to always notice is, what are we rounding to? So in this case I have, I'm going from Singapore to Thailand in Singapore dollars and Thai baht. So what I know is I have 1,500 Singapore dollars, and I know 1 Singapore dollar buys 21.03464 Thai baht. And so the question is, how much is 1,500 worth? I have 1,500. So even though you might not need a proportion to solve this one, I think it's a helpful way. I also showed some of you in class factor label method that you do any kind of unit conversion for, but some people are scared of that, so I'm not going to keep showing it. So we get 31,551.96 because I crossed that times that equals there. Again, correct to the nearest baht. So 31,552 baht. Susie leaves Thailand and travels to Indonesia. She has 20,000 Thai baht and uses these to buy Indonesian rupiah. The exchange rate is 3.28352 buys 1,000. So that's my fraction. That's what I can use for my values. Calculate total number of rupees she receives according to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so now we have 20,000 Thai baht, and we know that 3.28352 Thai baht is 1,000 rupiah. So again, I'm finding this number of rupiah. If you put your labels here, you know you're always at least lining things up. So I'm going to take 20,000 times 1,000 and divided by 3.28352. So we get 609,1024.267. Correct to the nearest 1,000. So tens, hundreds, thousands. We're rounding right here. 609 1,000. Put your units on there. IDRs. Last step. She wants to find an approximate exchange rate. So we're finding a rate between the two units and uses exchange rates for Thai baht to do this. Calculate Susie's exchange rate between Singapore dollars and Indonesian rupiah. Give your answer in the form 1 Singapore baht buys X IDR, where X is given to the correct rupiah. Okay, so we have to go back to, in this problem, and what was the exchange rate here? So right now, we want to find out this ratio. 1 SGD buys X IDR. So if you look back at the original problem, we had 1 SGD bought 21 Thai baht, and then we had a thing that number of Thai baht is the number of IDRs. There's different ways to figure this out, but to me this is one of the ways you can use your factor label multiplying method. So if 1 Singapore dollar equals 21.03464 Thai baht, that's from the first problem. That's the fraction from the first problem. And from the second problem, 3.28352 Thai baht is 1,000 IDR. These two cancel, and I'm left with 1 Singapore dollar times 3.28352, which is 3.28352 Singapore dollars over, this is just multiplying by 1,000, so 1, 2, 3, 21,034.64 IDR. So I have it in the right order. I need to turn this into a 1, so I'm just going to divide my 21,036. I'm going to divide that by my 3.28. So I'm basically dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3.28. You get 6406. So I divided both of these by 3.28. So I have 1 Singapore dollar equals 6,406 IDR. So if you did this a different way, that's fine. Check your final answer. You might want to even write that as a sentence. That's video number 1 on exchanges.